Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files using Yandex Disk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring files using Yandex Disk, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type disk.yandex.com and press enter. If you already have an account, click on Login. Enter your username and password, then click Login again. If you don't have an account, click on Create an account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, you will see your Yandex Disk interface. To upload a file, click on the Upload button, usually represented by an upward arrow. A dialog box will open, allowing you to browse your computer's files. Navigate to the file or folder you wish to upload, then select it and click Open. Your file will now begin to upload to Yandex Disk. You can monitor the progress at the bottom of the screen. Once the upload is complete, you will see the file listed in your Yandex Disk. To share a file, right-click on the file you want to share. In the menu that appears, click on Share. A new window will pop up with sharing options. You can create a link by clicking Get Link. Choose the access level, either anyone with the link or only specific people. To download a file, simply locate the file on your Yandex Disk. Right-click on the file and select Download. The file will be saved to your computer's default Downloads folder. You can also create folders to organize your files better. To do this, click on the New Folder button in the toolbar. Name your folder and click Create. Now, you can drag and drop files into this folder. Remember, you can access your Yandex Disk from any device with internet connectivity. This makes file transfer and access very convenient. Explore additional features to maximize your use of Yandex Disk, like backup options and happy transferring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.